All right, so we have a Midea stove, and we're going to be removing this back piece. And once all the screws are out, I think you got about 10 screws along the perimeter. And don't forget, once you've gotten all of them out, up top, and they usually have, I think, one over here as well, to the left. Don't forget him. All right, and once those are all removed, we're gonna be able to just remove this whole back piece. You do have a little insert up top. You might need 2 hands. It comes down all the way up, and it's done. Right, so now, if your unit, the door is locked and you cannot open it, so I'm going to show you what to do to get in there. So first things first, you want to remove this plug, and what we're going to remove these 2 Phillips screws. The idea is we're going to get up top there where that cam is, because right now the door is locked. So remove those 2 Phillips screws. All right, so now we have this out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna lift this up, and guys, make sure the power is off, 100%. Safety first. So we're gonna remove it from the tab, and what we're gonna do, you see how that arm is into that cam? So we're gonna try and rotate it so that we're able to remove the arm. Now you want to pay attention to how it comes out. It goes in, so you're gonna kind of twist a little bit to get it out. Okay, there we go. See that? Now, this was basically locked in with the motor. The motor would be turning to lock and unlock, and you would push this forward, and that would unlock your door. It would cause the cam to move, just like that, and you could go and unlock your door. This door is not locked, so I would assume right now, if we go and check the door, if pushing it forward would unlock it, it might actually be now locked. Let's take a look. See that? Door is locked. So now, we're gonna pull it forward. The door should be unlocked. There it is. All right, so right now the door is unlocked. Thanks for watching.